Here's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. And it comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, power tilting steering column, automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver remarks, consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes-Benz knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,